Righto, let's have a look at the installation guide. Looks like it's got all the languages there. Option A is with the slip-on cradle, which is what we want. Right, first thing we do is take all our liners out. I've got my liners all out, ready to install the speakers. Now I'm going to pull, can't take this out, this particular helmet, so I'm going to have to thread it round. So if we look at our speakers, we've got a short side and a long side. The short side is going to go on the same side as you're going to put the unit, so it's going to go on the left. So let me put that in now. It's going to sit in there like that. Okay, and I'm going to put some Velcro in there just to hold it all in place. Some Velcro on the other side. Okay, some Velcro's in place. It's going to hold the speakers in place, stop them moving around. Make sure we're going on the left side. And just plug it into place. Right side, I'm going to have to thread around right through underneath everything. Make sure that the speakers go between all the linings and the polystyrene shell. You don't want them going in between linings. Okay, got them in place. Okay, now I'm going to put the microphone on, give it a good rub, give it a good clean with one of the alcohol wipes that you've been given. And when you're ready, peel off the goo. I'm putting mine off to the side a little bit just so that it doesn't go off when I breathe. I don't want it activating when I'm breathing. And I don't want it too low, I don't want it too high. So I'm going to try for there. And again, that's my speaker cable, microphone cable. Okay, here's the unit cradle. Okay, got microphone cable and speaker cable. I'm going to thread them down through. Okay, right, trying to put the cradle on. Got my wires threaded through. I'll hook them up once I get this cradle positioned properly. Cradle's in position, and I can tell you it ain't going anywhere. It's a pretty tight fit, but I managed to get in without breaking anything. I'm just going to take up the slack on my wires, tuck them away nicely so everything's inside. Now to hook them up, microphone cable can only go in one way. Gently push it in. Doesn't click, so Just remember that. Speakers, connect them up. That does click. And I would try and tuck everything away between the liner and the polystyrene shell, mainly because you don't want connections and stuff pushing on your head, so you want them tucked away. So you've got the liner between you and the wires. Okay. Liner's back in. Okay, time to put the unit on. It's got some plastic protector over, just peel that away. Beautiful looking unit. To mount it, put it in at the front, engages in that tab, and just push towards the back and you'll hear it click. And that's it, unit's on, ready to go.